In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a task as in progress in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to signal to your team that work has started, keeping your project tracking clean and up to date. Let's jump right in. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the correct space. A space is the top-level container for your work. Think of it like a department or project area. In the left sidebar, click the space where your task lives. If you work across multiple areas, quickly confirm you're in the right place before moving on. If your sidebar is busy, use the search bar at the top to locate the space or the task name directly. This helps avoid updating the wrong item. Next, open the relevant list and choose your task. Lists are where tasks are grouped within a space. Click into the list that contains the work you're tracking, then locate your task. You can open the task by clicking its name to bring up the detailed task view, or you can stay in the list and work from the row. Either way is fine. Choose what's faster for you. If you don't immediately see the task, try sorting by name or due date, or use the list search filter to narrow things down. Now, click on the task status. In the task view, the status sits near the top, next to or under the task title. In the list, the status appears in its own column as a colored label or dropdown. Statuses reflect where the task sits in your workflow. Common ones are to do, in progress, and complete. Make sure you're clicking the status and not priority. They look different and serve different purposes. Finally, select in progress. Click the dropdown and choose the in progress option. You'll see the label and color update immediately, confirming the change. If your workspace uses custom statuses, pick the equivalent of in progress, such as doing or active. The goal is to mark that work has begun. After updating, the task will display as in progress in list, board, and other views, which helps teammates understand what's currently moving. Some setups also trigger automations or notifications when the status changes, so expect that your update may inform collaborators. That's it. Navigate to the right, space, open the list, and pick your task. Click the status and set it to in progress. Use search and filters if you're juggling lots of work, and remember that consistent status updates keep your project visibility accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking in ClickUp.